Hey, how's it going YouTube? My name is Damit. This is the very first video for the channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. This laptop came in as dead, no power. The battery has power, but it does not charge or indicate charging. First I tried powering it on while the battery and power plugged in, but nothing. Then I removed the battery and the charger, left for 5 minutes. I plugged back in the charger and tried again. It did nothing. Next I plugged the charger while holding the power button down. Just like that, laptop is back from dead. However, this process will reset your BIOS settings like time and boot order. So this case, I hit F2 to change time and date. And this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check my main channel for more videos or the links in the description. Like always, please don't forget to share, subscribe. I will see you next time.